to my YouTube channel with me, Nomor again. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about number part 2. In the previous lesson, I have shared you about how to count 1 to 10 in Bahasa Indonesia. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. For those who haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more lessons about Bahasa Indonesia. To count 11 to 100 in Bahasa Indonesia. I've made 3 parts of discussion today. I'm going to tell you how to count 11 to 100, and I also will tell you 2 ways how to count 21 to 100. Okay, before we start, I just want to remind you, it is really easy for us to count 11 to 100 after mastering Bahasa Indonesia 1 to 10. So don't forget to watch my previous video about how to count 1 to 10 in Bahasa Indonesia. Now let's start from the first part about 11 to 100. As we know, in English we can say 10 to express 13, for example, 14, 15, and so on. But in Bahasa Indonesia, 10 can be replaced by saying belas. Belas. Let's get started. 11 is sebelas. Se means satu or 1. Sebelas. 12. Duabelas. Duabelas. 13. Tigabelas. Tigabelas. Repeat after me. 14. Empatbelas. Empatbelas. Very good. 15. Limabelas. Limabelas. Nice. 16. 16. 16. Excellent. 17. You can say Tujuhbelas. Tujuhbelas. Good job. 18. Delapanbelas. Delapanbelas. Good. 19. Sembilanbelas. Sembilanbelas. Okay, now how to say 20 in Bahasa Indonesia. In English, we have tail T and Y, but in Bahasa Indonesia, T and Y, we can say puluh. Puluh. You just add puluh after the prior numbers. For example, 20 is 2 and puluh. You can say Dua Puluh. Dua Puluh. How do you say 30 in Bahasa Indonesia? That's right. Tiga Puluh. Tiga Puluh. What about 40? Excellent. Empatpuluh. Empatpuluh. And it is also can be used for 50 to 90. What about 100? 100 in Bahasa Indonesia. 100 we can say Ratus. It means that 100 is Seratus. Seratus. We cannot say satu ratus, but satu can be replaced by saying Seratus. Dua ratus. Tiga ratus. And so on. And now how to count 20 to 30, for example. When we want to say 21, 32, 45. There are two ways how to count this in Bahasa Indonesia. Like in English, when we say 32, 32, but in Bahasa Indonesia, can we say tiga, puluh, dua. 32. What about 21? 21. 21. What about 98? Very good. 98. But there's the simplest way how to say this in Bahasa Indonesia. You do not need to add puluh in the middle of the word or the phrase. You can just say the number simply by saying, if it is 71, you can say 7 is 7, 1 is 1. 71 is 71. 55, 5. What about 64? Very good. And now, Angka. Okay, let me review the materials. 11 to 20, Sebelas, Duabelas, Tigabelas, Empatbelas, Limabelas, 16, and so on. 20, 30. 20 can be said in Bahasa Indonesia 20. 30, 30. 40, 50, and 100 is 100. 21, 21, 32, 32, 45, 45, 98, 98, or the complete versions 98, 98, 45, 45, 32, 32, 21, 21. That's all for our video today. Thank you very much for your watching. Don't forget to wait my next video. Bye bye.